Hello, Bright MLS subscribers. My name is Jimmy Sparopoulos. I am a customer success coach. Today, I wanted to go over creating custom displays. A lot of folks are aware to do how to do this, I should say, but there's a lot of folks out there that are not. And I love this feature. It allows you to, kind of create your own displays and then jump in and out, so that way you don't have to kind of create those redundant tasks over and over. So I'm going to go ahead and just jump into a residential sale, and I'm going to go ahead and pull up my agent one line. I'm not going to create any filters right now, but I just wanted to get in here. So this is your default display whenever you come into the agent one line. If you want to get more information, you can do so super easy, right? So if you go to any one of these columns up top here, right, you're going to get what looks kind of like a crosshair. And if you click on your mouse here, it's going to allow you to or it's going to open up this box, I should say, that's going to allow you to, add a column, remove a column, change the pixel width, rename it, so on and so forth, right? But most of the times you're going to want to add a column, right? You might want to get rid of some as well, customize it the way that you want. But I'm going to show you how you can insert a column, right? Super easy. We're going to click on insert a column. And then we're going to get this search field here, right? So these are all the different fields that you can enter in, right? So if you want to see like what they were paying in annual taxes, right? We can start typing annual tax, and then I can click tax annual amount, right? I'm going to go ahead and hit apply, and then it's going to drop that field right in there for you, right? I might want to enter something else in as well. So maybe I want to see high schools, right, that are in that area. Right, so I can start typing in high school, and then I'll see high school up here, and I'll go ahead and click on that, and then I'll hit apply, right? So now I've got this information in here, right? And that's awesome. I can see this, but I might want to come back to this over and over again, right? And I don't want to come in and have to add these fields. So what you can actually do is come up to this little box here, right? It looks like a box with a pencil in it. If you hover over it, it says Manage Display. And then you can click on that, right? And we're going to see that the display name is the Agent One line. So maybe I want to change this, to reflect either my search or give it a name that I know I'm going to get the information I'm looking for, right? So I'm going to type tax in schools, right? All right. And then I'll go ahead and hit save as a copy. All right. Once I've done so, right here, I'm going to get this tax in schools was created. And then when I look at my display, I will see the my with a semicolon and then tax in school, right? So I can jump in and out of all these different displays. So you can see I've created a couple different ones in the past, right? But, I can jump in between any of these different displays that I've created, right? Let's see, where's tax in schools? Oh, there it is, right? And now I have that information here, right? So I can go ahead and jump in and out of these different views all the time. You're creating searches all the time with different criteria that you're trying to glean from those different properties that are in the MLS. So it's a really easy way of being able to kind of save all these different displays and get that information that you need. If you click on this little gear icon, it will allow you to set that current display, sort order, and count per page as your starting default. So every time you come in and create a search, right? So let's go into a residential sale, right? We're just going to go back to our results, right? We can see that is going to automatically come up with that view because that's what we set as our default. Now, if at any point you want to go back to your original display, super easy to do. Just click on this gear icon again, right? And then we're going to hit reset to system search defaults. And then it's going to bring you back to that agent one line display that you're accustomed to, right? But again, you can click on that display view, scroll down, right? We can see, where is it? I have it somewhere in here. There, tax in schools, right? Boom. And then it drops it in there for you. So just wanted to show you all that little tip and trick. I know a lot of folks are aware of this, but it's amazing to me that I still, encounter a lot of individuals that have been, working within Bright for a long time and still not aware of how to do that. So that's my little tip today. So thank you for joining me. If you have questions, reach out to us. We are always available for one-on-one screen shares with all of our subscribers. Come to the education tab and click on schedule live coaching and pick a date and time to meet with any one of us and ask questions that you have about Bright MLS. Thanks for joining, and I hope you have a wonderful day.